That entire production, every single scene was generated with AI in minutes because the construction haven't even started yet. It's a new development project where the developer had some amazing render photos, but no videos to use for marketing. And I was able to bring it into video format to make it much more immersive and easier to imagine for potential buyers. And the best part is you can also do this for ready listings with real photos without having to shoot for hours upon hours or spend thousands of dollars on a video production. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step in a very straightforward way, even if you are not a technology expert. So first, let's get clear on what this video is really about. It's not about how to make a video from scratch using AI. What I want to show you is if you already have a listing or if you have a new construction project that you are trying to promote, how you can take simple images that aren't that exciting and bring them into video format very easily. We are not necessarily replacing footage, we are simply extending it and making it come alive. So let's get right into it. Step one is to get your images organized in a folder. So as you can see, I have this folder right here with different render images that are directly from the developer. And by the way, I was not hired for this project, just so you know. I'm just making this for fun. I think it's actually an incredible development. So yeah, we have these external render shots of the apartment building, and then we also have some shots of the communal areas, some of the amenities, and even some interior shots of different parts of the building. So again, what you want to do is get all of the high quality images that you can and then nicely organize them, have some wide shots, have some exterior shots, and also some interior shots. Then step two is to go to Artlist. You can also sign up for this in the description of this video. They were also kind enough to support the channel and make this video happen. And then after that, you want to come here to AI Toolkit. Here, you are able to even upscale your current images that you have in case if they weren't of that high quality, or if you have an empty apartment, you can also stage the apartment very easily by simply uploading your photo in here, then describing, what exactly you want in terms of the styling, and it will generate new photos for you with staging already in there, and it's going to look very realistic. But in my case, I already have the photos, so I'm just going to come here and click on video, because what I want to do right now is generate a new video. And then after that, you want to select your video generation model. Now, I recommend using either Seedance 2.0 if you want to have the highest quality output, or they also recently just rolled out Seedance 2.0 Fast. Now, this is great because it's a model that was really built for speed and generating a lot of videos without using a ton of credits, right? So if you're a high volume producer, this could be very useful for you because it's going to allow you to make lots of generations quickly without eating too many credits up. So let's just click fast because I want to show you a quick example. After this, you can select the aspect ratio that you want to generate in. So I want to do 16:9 in this case. You can choose your resolution. With Seedance 2.0, you can also even choose up to 4K resolution, by the way. Then you can choose the duration as well here. So I'm just going to go for 5 seconds, and you can toggle audio on or off. Then you want to upload your reference image. So I'm just going to go ahead and find the same folder where I have all of these images. And then I can just select any image that I want to animate at random. So let's just say I'm going to take this one of the lobby area of the building, then click here on open, and now I can put in a prompt to actually animate this. Now in this video, I'm not going to get too in depth about prompting because that's a whole topic on its own, but I will leave an amazing video from another creator in the description down below if you want to learn more about how to prompt AI to get the best results possible. But in this case, I just want to do a very simple pushing in motion on this image. So I'm just going to say something like slow dolly movement forwards towards the building. And by the way, if you wanted to upgrade your prompt, you could also click here on auto prompt, and then it's going to make your prompt way more detailed. But of course, in some cases, it won't get it exactly right. But generally speaking, you do get like a pretty good idea about how you should do your prompt, and then you can just customize it a bit further. So that's what I'm going to do now with this new prompt that I got from the AI. So there you go. I just customized this a little bit more, and now I'm just going to click here on generate. And by the way, if you wanted to get more advanced with this, you could also upload multiple reference images here, or even combine a character, let's say yourself, and some props with the original photo of the property, and then it can actually combine them as well. So right now I'm showing you probably one of the most caveman ways of using Artlist, but you could get way more advanced with this if you wanted to. But for the sake of simplicity, I will just show you now how you can make the images come to life, and then we can get more advanced in another video later on. But just to show you what I mean, I was able to actually generate myself into the gym of this building, and these are the photos I was able to generate. And then after that, I generated a scene of myself picking up my phone and talking to someone in the gym of this building. And as you can see, it looks super realistic. So you can really get creative with this if you want to. And here we go. We have our video ready now. And as you can see, it looks absolutely amazing. We even have some, noise and some sound added to this as well. And it really just makes a huge difference. I mean, if you are looking at this as a potential buyer into this apartment complex, if you compare just looking at a photo versus this, in my opinion, this makes it a lot easier to imagine what it would be like living here. Now, if you want to, then you can just download it right here. And then after that, you can also, do more edits here within Artlist. But what I recommend you to do if you want to get, more advanced with it, is to just download these files that you are able to generate right here and then put it together in your choice of editing software. So this is just one kind of motion that you can create, but I'm going to leave a couple different prompts as well for you in the description to be able to create different kind of movements with the camera. So that's how simple it is to generate these videos. But once you put it into the editing software, your edit should follow like a pretty simple and clear logic, right? First, I recommend having like your widest, most dramatic establishing shot that sets the premium positioning before any detail is even shown. And then you can show more amenities of your project, you can show the actual interior shots, and also even some close-ups if you have them. I recommend you to use the speed ramping technique because it will make your video feel a lot more dynamic and interesting. And also to use a LUT, or a lookup table, which is basically like an Instagram filter for videos, to make sure that all of your shots have the same kind of color scheme. Sound design is also not optional. You need to have sound design if you want to create something cinematic, as well as using the right audio, right? If you're using Artlist, then the best part is that you not only are able to generate these beautiful videos, but you also have access to so many different songs and sound effects and even LUTs in one place that you can download and use for your projects. It's really an all-in-one solution. So this is kind of how it should look once you bring everything together in the editing software. Alright, that's pretty amazing if you ask me, but let's zoom out and take a look at what this actually means for your business as a real estate professional, or as someone who is selling this as a service to real estate professionals. First of all, you're no longer limited by what you can physically capture. If you have a good enough photo, then you can just prompt the AI and create any sort of cinematic movement that you want to. So it's much more time effective and also cost effective to work this way. You are able to take on more clients, do more volume, and then also make more money. But the truth with AI is that the one friction point for most people has always been credits, right? You're iterating, you're running parallel projects and trying to do different things, and you run out of credits in most platforms very quickly. Artlist solved this problem with unlimited AI generations on their annual plans. Just toggle on unlimited inside of Artlist AI Toolkit or the Studio plan, and then you can generate at the speed of your ideas, not at the speed of your credit balance. Depending on your plan, you can get 900 to 5,000 fast generations per month. You can use multiple models simultaneously and you're not in a queue. So whether you are a one-man army or you're leading a team, Unlimited gives you room to operate at scale. If you want to try this tool out for yourself as well, I will leave a link in the description down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out everything in the description, and I will see you in the next one.